Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with underline effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to underline particular part of your text message or hi message on iPhone using your iOS 18 device, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this option informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to send message with underline effect on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the hi message app and then select the user you want to send the message to. So here, let's say this is how to send underlined message on iPhone. So let's say this is the message you want to send. So you can just write the message as long as you want. Then highlight the part of the message you want to underline. So let's say this. Once highlight, you're going to see this menu comes up. Once you have the menu comes up just like this, scroll like this until you go to text effect. So once you see text effect here, go ahead and click on text effect. Then here, you should see all the text effects you can use while using the hi message app on your iPhone on iOS 18. So go ahead and click on underline. That is you with a line beneath. Click on it. Then once you click on that, just go outside the message. Then you should see the message underlined on your iPhone on iOS 18. So go ahead and click on send. Once you send the message, then you should see the message underlined just like this. See that? So this is how to use or send underline message on iPhone. So the message is going to be underlined just like this. So that is basically how to send underline text message on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.